Dear ServiceNow community, partners, customers, and ServiceNow account executives, we developed a GenAI assessment application, our brand new solution in the ServiceNow store. It will help you to identify and prioritize high-value Now Assist and GenAI use cases for a better investment decision. It analyzes your ServiceNow data and calculates return of investment fast and efficient. You want to know more? Then stay tuned. At the end of this video, I will share a special offer. 54% of industry leaders rely on GenAI for cost savings in 2024, and there is a projected 10% reduction in cost. And what about your organization? Are you ready to join the cost-saving trend? Our app guides you through the process, from identifying impactful use cases to building a data-driven business case that secures internal buy-in. Many organizations face challenges in leveraging GenAI, so it's crucial to understand and maximize the ROI of tools like Now Assist that are included in Professional Plus and Enterprise Plus subscriptions. Our application offers a streamlined decision-making process through swift and automated assessments. It calculates the potential gains from generative AI, focusing your efforts for maximum efficiency based on your operational data. As a strategic partner, we provide tailored recommendations to ensure clarity and security in your AI initiatives. Upon installation, our app evaluates your operational and service management data, including incidents and user interactions, to pinpoint suitable AI applications and estimate ROI. This analysis occurs within your ServiceNow environment, maintaining the privacy and security of your data. Our broad set of metrics covers key areas like summarization, content creation, and AI search. It enhances and varies management functions and workflows. This strategic assessment pinpoints areas where AI and Now Assist can deliver significant value like productivity gains and cost savings. The app is free to use and available directly through ServiceNow Store. It allows you to optimize your AI strategy without additional costs. Contact us to schedule a demo or join us at the ServiceNow conference to learn more about building your AI business case. And here's my special offer to you. If you install and run the assessment by end of June 2024, you will receive free 4 hours of architecture and AI consultancy that you can use to build a Now Assist roadmap, analyze a need for licenses, or build a GenAI MVP. So meet us at the Knowledge to see the app in action or schedule a virtual call. All details are in the video description below.